Why is this important for humanity?
Well, I mean, like, one of the big questions in science, I would say, is, like, are we alone? Is there life on other planets? Are there planets like Earth around there? And I mean, it captures, I think, a lot of people's imaginations and when you kind of ask this question. And I think that's why lots of people are drawn to exoplanets. It's kind of like something that they can latch onto. It's like, is there something like Earth around another star?
There is also that more prosaic answer, because I mean, for me, I do it because I love it. I want to learn, and it does inspire the future generations. But for people who aren't sold on that, there is also the technology that's developed that revolutionises life in so many other ways. The cameras we've been filmed on use chips inside them, which were initially developed for astronomy. Just the reason your mobile phone takes such good image is because of image processing software developed for astronomy. And that's why funding comes in for this. So for us as astronomers, we do it because we want to know there's philosophy behind it. Why are we here? What's our place in the universe? But for the people putting the money in, yeah, sure, maybe that's interesting, but what they want is return on investment, and they want to improve, if you're hopeful, they want to improve the lives of everybody in society. They want to cure cancer and improve medical care. And to do that, you need better cameras, you need better detectors, you need new ways of processing data. So it sounds really kind of far-fetched, some of the stuff we're doing, and why would you ever want to keep two satellites that are 1 million kilometres apart on station to within a thousandth of a millimetre? But if you can do that, think of all the other things you can do with that technology.
It's a good source of hope.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
And inspiration. It gets people excited. It brings people into the sciences who'll solve the problems that we haven't even realised the problems yet.
True.
Where do you... We've obviously talked a little bit about hope and this idea that, I mean, we're all a big fan of space. We all see the benefits of it. Where would you like to see us go in the future? What areas are we missing at the moment? Where do we need to go? What's going to improve things?
There's all sorts of that. I mean, we're becoming much more aware of cultural competency and aware of the impacts of our endeavours on people across the globe with different backgrounds. And one of my great concerns is that these mega constellations like Starlink will bring with them benefits. We'll get faster internet for the incredibly wealthy, if they can afford it, at the cost of the heritage of our night sky that inspires so many people. And there is always going to be that balance that we have to fight between technological advance and cultural sensitivity and awareness of what we're losing. One of the great benefits, though, of this kind of stuff that we're doing is it builds towards a future where we can look beyond the Earth, because we've got this global societal model that is based on growth. The idea that you've got to grow year on year, but we're on a finite planet. So one of two things has to happen. Either we stop growing or we go out into the cosmos. Both of those have problems, but that may be where we're going. And this kind of technology, I don't see us travelling to these planets anytime soon, but the same technology will give us the options to build our future.